Hello. Since lesson 1 or through to lesson 9, you have been learning about perimeter of different shapes. And now in this last lesson, lesson 10, can we solve random GCSE questions relating to perimeter? So here we'll go first because we already know how to find perimeter of different shapes and in different conditions. So we can start with question 1, where we are told a rectangle has a length of 12 centimeters and width of 7 centimeters. Then you are told to find the perimeter of that rectangle. And from one of the lessons, our previous lessons, we said perimeter P of a rectangle is given by 2 plus 2b. If you don't remember, you can review my previous lessons. You'll see one of them I've taught how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So now here we are given the A, which is 12 centimeters, of course, the length, and then B, which is 7 centimeters. Then we are told to find the perimeter. So perimeter P will be given by 2 into A, which is 12, plus 2 into 7, which is will be 2 multiplied by 12 is 24, then plus 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. So it will be 24 plus 14, which is 4 plus 4 is 8, then 2 plus 1 is 3. So the perimeter of that rectangle will be 38 centimeters. Can we try the next question? In this question 2, we are told a square has a perimeter of 36 centimeters, then find the length of one side. And then we said the perimeter of a square P, I told that in one of the videos, previous videos, you can review it in this series. So we said the perimeter of a square is given by A plus A plus A plus A because all the sides of a square are equal. But now instead of doing all this, we say we just take A plus A plus A plus A is 4A. So perimeter P, a square, is given as 4 multiplied by A. And then you are told in this question, the perimeter is 36. So the perimeter P you are already given is 36 centimeters. Then you asked to find one side. So then 36 would be equal to 4 multiplied by A. So it will be, to get A, which is one of the sides, we need to divide both sides by 4, like this. So it will be that 6 divided by 4 is 9, then 4 divided by 4, here it will be 1, so it remains to be A. So A will be 9 centimeters, and that is where the side, one side of the square. So we can try another example. In this question 3, we are told a triangle has sides of length 6 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and 13 centimeters. Then we are told to find the perimeter of the triangle. I've also taught this concept in one of the lessons. You can view it if you don't remember the formula. But in my case, on that lesson, we said perimeter P of a triangle which doesn't have any of the sides being equal to the other is given by A plus B plus C. And now in this case, we are given A as 9, then B as 13, A as 9, then B as 13, and then C as 6 centimeters. So you are told to find the perimeter. So perimeter P will be addition of all these, which will be 9 plus 13 plus 6, which will be 6 plus 13 is 19. So it will be 19 plus 9, like this. So 9 plus 9 is 18, 8 can 1. So it will be 28. So it will be 28 centimeters. That is the perimeter of that triangle. So we can go to the next question. I'm going fast because we have already covered all these concepts in lesson 1 or through to lesson 9. So can we go to question 4? We are told a rectangle has sides labeled as x plus 3 and then 2x minus 1. Then you are told to find an expression for the perimeter in terms of x. But you see, we said first, perimeter of a rectangle is given by 2a plus 2b, like that. So we read off the a here, given us an expression which is x plus 3, then b is given us an expression which is 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. So perimeter p now will be equal to 2 into m, but a is x plus 3, then plus 2 into b, but b is 2x minus 1, like that. So now it becomes 2 multiplied by x, which is 2x, then plus 2 multiplied by this 3, which is 6, then plus 2 multiplied by this 2x, which is 4x, then again 2 multiplied by negative 1, which is minus 2. Like from there, we can combine the like terms together. That will be 2x plus 4x, then plus 6 minus 2, like that. So it will be 2x plus 4x is 6x, then 6 minus 2 is 4. And that becomes the expression of the perimeter of that rectangle. Because you are told to give the perimeter in terms of x. And we have done that. So 6x plus 4 centimeters. So can we go on to question 5? We first of all find the board. Clear the board here so that becomes easy to solve the next question. And we are told in this question 5, the perimeter of a rectangle is 50 centimeters. Then one side is 40 centimeters. Find the length of the other side. So we are already given the perimeter here, P, which is 50 centimeters. Then we are given one side, we can call it A, which is 40 centimeters. Then we are told to find the other side, I can just call it B. And we said perimeter P is given by 2A plus 2B, like that. And you see, we already have the perimeter, which is 15 is equals to 2 into A, and A is 14, then plus 2 into B, but we don't know B is the one we asked. So it will be 15 is equals to 2 multiplied by 14, which is 28, plus 2B, because we don't know B. Then this will be 50 on this side, minus 28, then it will be 2B, like this. I just took this 28 on the other side. As you see, it was positive on the other side, it becomes negative. So 50 minus 28 is 22 is equals to 2B. But we only need B. So 2B, I can just say 2B is equals to 22 like this. So B is equals to 22 divided by 2, which will be 11 centimeters. Then becomes the solution for this question 5. Can we try the last example here? Just show me, first of all, clear the board so that we can solve it one. So here in the last example, you are told a composite shape is made from two rectangles placed together. They have the sides measured 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 18 centimeter, 6 centimeter again, and then 10 centimeter. Then find the perimeter of the shape. In this case, we said in composite shapes, we had all the sides. And since we are given all the sides here, the work is just too hard. So to get the perimeter of that side, of that composite shape between BP is equals to, I can start adding here. So I'll add 10 plus 12 plus 18. then plus 12 plus 18, like that, then plus, and go to the next one, which is 6 plus 8 plus 6. 6 plus 8 plus 6. And we said in these questions, they mostly test more about your speed in addition. So I can say P is equals to, we divide these numbers into 2 so that we can add quickly. So 10 plus 12 is 22, then plus 18 plus 6, we just need to take it there. 18 plus 6 which is 14, 4 carry 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, so it becomes 24. Then plus 8 plus 6 is 40. Then from there, you can now make them like this. 22 plus 24 plus 14. Then you unlock this. Then 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 2 is 10. 0 carry 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. 60 centimeters. So the perimeter P becomes 60 centimeters. So here we have solved quite a number of questions relating to perimeter of different shapes and in different conditions. So if you have any question, you can ask me on the comment section. I'll try to answer all the questions to my level best. And bye for now. Let us meet in the next lesson.